good, YouTube? It's your boy SCTJ. Back on another video, back on another banger. Neck ass. As you can see, we got that shit out. You know what I'm saying? It's currently 3 in the morning. We got big pussy out here, you know what I'm saying? We got the BBL 392. You know what I'm saying? We got the big bright motherfucker. Then we got the little booty, you know what I'm saying? With the fucked up face, you feel me? But this bitch is slow. We done left this motherfucker too many times for it to be a 10 speed. And then we got the guys out, man. Got a little calm POV, late night calm POV, you know what I'm saying? Got 3 Mopars out. We got the 10 speed out. You know what I'm saying? We got the wide body out today. We got the wide body cat out as well. Right now we gassing up. It is currently 4 a.m., man. And we getting this POV for y'all, man. So look calm, not gonna be cutting up too crazy. Y'all wanna see more videos like this, you know what I'm saying? We got the AR on us, the AR15 in this video. Y'all wanna see more videos like this though, spam the like button. Y'all, this is gonna be a cell phone POV, man. I do apologize. Should I go 0.5 or should I go 1, y'all? What look better, y'all? Comment below what y'all like better, 0.1 or 0.5, you know what I'm saying? 0.1, it's a little bit more quality. With 0.5, you see a little bit more, you feel me? Do got the stars in this dump, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna pick y'all back up, man, when we get on the highway. Hope y'all stay tuned, man, and watch the whole thing. As y'all can see, it is late. It's 3:14 a.m. And I got work in 2 hours, y'all, so getting this content for y'all. And this is a cruise, you feel me? You gonna go sport mode. My boy said he finna slide. Oh my God. Oh my God. Finna get us. We in this white ass neighborhood. Mustang sound good, boy. Let's see if this Hellcat come up on the side of us and go crazy. We gonna see that whine on the pull-up is crazy. Let's see. Sorry if it's windy, y'all. I'm trying to keep the windows rolled up, but it's really dark with this tent, so I don't know. We is on bald tires. I'm talking about tires is on the wire, so I really should not be driving. But we is, man. I'm trying to get this content for y'all, man. So y'all spam the like button right now, man. Guys out tonight, man. Big wide body, big 5.0 behind us. You know what I'm saying? Big scatty waddy with the BBL on it, you feel me? Go. Go. Go ghost on them, you feel me? If y'all ever watched the movies Cars 2 or like Cars 1, I think is the scene when the car is swerving in and out. Alright, y'all, man, we just did another little gas station run. It's currently 3:33, man. We cruising. My tires is bad. We can't go too fast. Cause got the big truck motherfucker, you feel me? The big slow motherfucker back there, you feel me? Them boys in that shit though. You know, capper. Slow shit, you feel me? And that slow shit, you feel me?
With 500,000, not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked the sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.